what is good, guys and everybody else? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Hasuke, your boy Fulla, and we're back with a new reaction. I know this is kind of weird because this is coming before some of the other series that I am reacting to, some of the other anime that I'm reacting to. The reason for that is because I can't access the data that's in my hard drive right now, in my external hard drive. I talked about it in Tiger Bunny season 2 episode 1, which I am currently editing. But I did see that Chainsaw Man just came out, so I was like, you know what, fuck it. I'm gonna take like 25 minutes to record this, and then I'm gonna continue editing Tiger Bunny. I have Tiger Bunny in my laptop right now. The other information, the other things that I've already reacted to, Overlord and Primal season 2 episode 2. Overlord the season finale for Overlord season 4 and Primal season 2 episode 2 are the things that are currently in my hard drive right now. But I cannot access it because every time I plug it into my laptop, I don't know, it builds up static or something because it immediately switches off, and then I have to do the whole static discharge situation, and then maybe it will switch on. Hopefully it will switch on. But yeah, I can't understand exactly why. But yeah, anyways, it is what it is. Jujutsu Kaisen, I forgot what episode that was. I think episode 14 or something like that. I already recorded it. It's already uploaded. The same with Demon Slayer season 2 episode 10, if I'm not mistaken. I also already recorded it, edited it, and posted it, and uploaded. My bad, not posted it. I have not posted them yet because I haven't done the thumbnails yet. So because all of that stuff is in my hard drive, so I don't know. I will see. Maybe the thumbnails for those will be a little bit different. Maybe, I don't know. I'll figure out how to do those, and yeah, I'll probably post them sometime today. This one will probably come out, if not today, then tomorrow. But I have to figure out how to use my hard drive. Anyways, we're here for Chainsaw Man. I am very, very excited for this. Very, very excited. I have no idea what it's about. I only watched one trailer. I think that was the first trailer, and I found it very interesting. I found it very, very interesting. And the thing is, I do not know like anything about I think there is like a manga or something like that. I do not know anything about that. All I know is that people seem to be very, very excited about the coming anime. People who have read that manga, because I went through the comments and people were pretty excited for it, and it looked pretty cool. So very interesting, very interesting. Very, very excited to get into this. So without further ado, let's just do that. Let's get into it. I hope you enjoy this reaction. If you do, please leave a like, sub to the channel, and leave a comment down below telling me what your thoughts were on this episode. And yeah, let's go. What's going on? This seems more like a horror. What's happening, Meiji? What's going on? Okay. Let's go, because I'm confused. I don't know what the fuck that was. I don't know what the fuck was happening here. And why the fuck are you living in the woods, fam? Let's just ask him for trouble. Nah, fuck all that. Nah, fam.
月収6万だろ。この間売った腎臓が120万。
What the f...
右目が30万。
Why are you selling your body parts?
いくらで売れたっけ？ 10万もしなかったんだっけ？
100,000 for one of your nuts, man? I'm sorry. Bro, how did you...
804万円。
Why did you need so much debt in the first place?
ポチタ、分かってるって。さっさと殺しちまうか。
The f...
悪魔を一体殺せば だいたい30万。やっぱデビルハンターが一番儲かるな。
I'm sorry, I have to pause. I am confused as fuck. 1, 2, what the fuck? I'm sorry, I should not be laughing. I should not be laughing. My G sold one of his nuts for 100,000 yen, fam. Bro, that's not cool, fam. That's wow. I mean, come on, bro. It's one of your nuts, fam. 100,000 yen. I'm pretty sure this is 100,000 yen, right? I'm pretty sure it's 100,000 yen, which is not a lot, fam. If we're being honest, 100,000 yen is not a lot. So it's kind of like, damn, bro. But anyways, it's not just about the nut, fam. It's not just about the nut. But why is this? How is this motherfucker in so much debt? You know, something that I always find very, very, very interesting is that most people in the West are in debt. Not most people. Let me not say most people in the West. Let me say a lot of people in Western countries are in debt. A lot of people in Asian countries are in debt, right? Which is a very weird concept to me. Because in my head, I'm always like, if you don't have the cash for it, right, don't buy the thing. Because that's usually how it works. Unless maybe it's like small things, like maybe you want to buy some food, right? Like let's say you want to buy meat, right? But then you're living paycheck to paycheck, and you're waiting for your paycheck for your check to come in at the end of the month. You buy the shit on loan, and then you give it back at the end of the month, right? But the concept of buying a whole house on debt, that's insane to me. That's crazy, fam. Debt that you be paying off for years. Now, same thing with buying a car or whatever else, fam. You know, at least from how I have grown up and how I have lived, and how other people here live, right? It's, if you don't have the money for it, don't buy the shit. You know, if you're going to be in debt, if most people are in debt, if a lot of people, okay, a lot of people who are in debt, right, this side, are more of in debt because of like maybe they borrowed money from their friend or from somebody they know, but not from like the bank or something like that. Most people, few people who are more, you know, they're doing better in life, can borrow from the banks and, you know, have that type of debt, right? But then usually if they're borrowing that money, they're using it for business, or maybe they're politicians who are using it for campaign or something like that, right? But otherwise, as a normal person, nah, fam. So it's just an insane concept to me, because it's like, bro, doesn't that shit put you in a lot of trouble? I mean, I understand why it's good, because, you know, it improves the spending power of the people in the country and whatnot, right? But yo, I mean, if that debt is not if that loan that you're taking is not being used for something productive, that is not good, fam. That's not gonna end well. It doesn't end well. You know, so it's just weird. It's just a very weird concept. Anyways, very interested in this world that they're showing us right now. Curious to see where that goes. I did not know it was going to be about demons. Maybe I just didn't pay attention in the trailer. But yeah, damn, I've spoken for a minute. Sorry, fam. Let's go. Oh, and it was just about my bad. Okay, I'm gonna watch the intro. That dog is weird as fuck, by the way. Wait, the angels as well. So is that dude a demon, or what is he? Because his teeth seem weird, and he has that demon like dog thing with the chainsaw coming out of it. Wait, does he transform into Chainsaw Man? That's why he has the dog. Alright, fam. This shit looks fire, fam. This shit looks fucking insane, fam. Yo, I'm very excited for this. I'm very excited for this, fam.
こいつはトマトの悪魔ですね。種から復活するんで焼いといてください。
よくやったデンジ。
Denji.
闇市でこいつの死体を売りゃ相当いいね。
I need to be writing this shit
報
down.
酬は40万だ。
400,000.
そこから借金と利子引いて17万。さらに仲介手数料と事務手数料、管理調整費。その
Bro, you ain't made shit. Yo.
残りが7万。
Bro.
この7万
I'm sorry, bro, but
払って他のとこにしてる借金を払うと
how you surviving, bro?
もう残り1800円になっちゃった。
1,800 yen. Bro, that ain't shit.
今月はこの金で暮らさなきゃいけねえから落ちた。
I didn't find a
今日の
pen.
飯食パン1枚だぜ。
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ。正確にはあいつの死んだクソ親父の歌がな。
悪魔を
Oh.
飼ってるやつにデビルハンターが務まるんですかね。
So the kid is not the
デビル
devil
ハン
as
ター
well.
はな。
He's a
俺た
devil.
ちヤクザに悪魔の死体流しちゃくれねえぞ。それにデンジのいいとこが逆らわねえとこだ。
ね。これで3日は食えるね。
Oh. Hey, I respect it though. I respect it.
さあ普通食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜ。まあ俺たちは普通なんて夢の話だけど。
Damn. I guess that explains why he's living in the woods.
俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうな。こんなボロ小屋には女呼べねえし。
I mean, hey, you just gotta find the right one, I guess. Some would be down for it, bro.
夢叶うなら女抱いてから死にてえな。
No commenting on that, bro. Okay.
今月の分を払わねえうちに首つりやがって。物乞いするなり体を売るなりして明日まで。
Oh, that was him when he was a kid.
じゃなきゃお前の死体をばらして売る。
Wait, is that him when he was a kid?
死ぬぞ悪魔だ俺を殺すなら殺せどうせ死ぬんだ
Like, he was injured.
怪我
But that turns you into a devil as
ただ
well,
じゃね
right?
えこれは契約だお前を助けてやるから俺を助けろ
So like he basically made a deal with the devil.
死にたくね
With a devil, I guess.
腹減って眠れねえ。
I've been there.
考えて思ってね
I done been there, bruh. In uni?
決めた。
In college, fam?
今日
Fuck.
食パンにジャム塗って落ちたと食って女とイチャイチャしたりして
Yeah?
一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。
Yeah, bro. Alright. Alright. I see you. Respectable dreams, fam. Respectable dreams. What the fuck?
俺の母ちゃんさ、心臓の病気で血吐いて死んだんだとよ。
デンジ、悪魔が出た。仕事だぞ。
こんなとこに悪魔出たんすか？
I hope this is not a betrayal, bro. He seems
見
shady
当
as
たらない
fuck.
っすけど、
Run,
どっ
bro.
か隠れたんすかね？あ、もしかしてもう帰っちゃったとか。
That's shady, bro.
デンジよ。俺た たちはてめえに
Yeah, they're about to off you, Maye.
はい。
犬みてえに従順だし、犬みてえに安い報酬で働いてる。
Wow.
は
でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Wow. Wow.
俺たちヤクザもよ、もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。
So he's part of the Yakuza?
てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することにした。
Oh, Maiji made...
俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
僕が望むのはデビルハンターの死。デビルハンター君、マジこいつらバカだよ。めっちゃバカ。悪魔の力あげるっつったらさ、自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやがんのな。その力でゾンビになっちゃうんだけどね。僕ゾンビの悪魔だから。デビルハンターは僕ら悪魔殺すから嫌い。
No shit.
だから殺しちゃうんだ。みんなそいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃ
Like
う。
he can turn into a demon as well, right? So maybe he can hold it. I mean, maybe this is gonna be the first time he's done it. Turned into like the Chainsaw Man, you know? Run, bro! No! Ah!
何も金持ちになりたいわけじゃねえ。ただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに、んなことも叶えられねえのかよ。
This is a fucked up way to go, Reggie. God damn. They toast him into the trash. Bro. Alright, bro.
ポチタ、俺は悪魔と戦ってるうちに死ぬかもしれない。そうしたらポチタだけが心残りだ。
Aww.
腹すかして死ぬかもしれねえし、他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもしれない。
Yeah.
悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。ポチタにそれができるんだったら、俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ。墓入った後だったらヤクザも追ってこれないだろ。そんでこの町を出て、そんで普通の暮らしをして普通の死に方をしてほしい。
So like he gets possessed by his pet devil. And for some reason he expects it to live a normal life. I don't know how that's gonna work. Maybe it will. But oh, that's... Oh, they chopped him up. Yo, I did not notice that. So basically speaking, Genji is dead, fam. It's just Pochita now.
ポチタ、俺の体ちゃんと奪えたか。
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが
What
好き
the
だ。
fuck? The shit can talk, bro.
これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。
Okay.
代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
Okay, let's go. Let's fucking go.
バラバラにしても生きてんの？なんで？キモ？やっぱ僕デビルハンター嫌い。みんなそいつ食べちゃって。
Yeah, you don't want to smoke, fam.
なんでこいつらは十分恵まれてんのにもっといい生活を望んだ。俺も同じか。ポチタがいる幸せだけじゃ満足できなくて。
Nah, fam. Come on. You just want the bare minimum, fam.
な。じゃあ悪いことじゃねえ。悪いことじゃねえけど。
Let's go pull that thing.
邪魔すんなら死ね
Yeah, you're fucked.
さすがに食い殺しは死ぬだろう。
Sure, bro. Keep telling yourself that. Yeah. Let's go. This is so disturbing, but cool at the same time, bro.
なんだお前、さっきの雑魚悪魔が体を乗っ取ったのか。じゃあ仲間だな。
Keep it to his mouth. Make it slow too. Yo, the animation's fire. Bro, these zombies ain't even a match, bro. This dude's trying to throw them with projectiles, bro. Come on, baby. Listen, fam, I am loving the gore. I am loving the animation. Oh! I am gorgeous. I am fucking gorgeous. This is what I wanted in an anime, man. This is what I fucking wanted in an anime. Let's go. Let's fucking go. This is what I wanted to see in Overlord, man.
あんたたちの方は心まで悪魔になっちまったみてえだな。デビルハンターとして雇われてるからに悪魔はぶっ殺さねえとね。
Yeah, they're all down. I mean, it's not. They're not even like.
てめえら全員殺せばよ。借金はバーだぜ。
先を越されたね。
Who are you? These guys are part of the mafia or what? Or are these guys the government?
生きてるのがいますね。
君、変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない匂い。これ、君がやったの。
Kind of reminds me of Devilman Crybaby. That's what that kind of reminds me of. Oh, hey. That's a hug, fam. Technically speaking, one part of the dream fulfilled. Let's go, bro. Oh.
人だ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
餌って朝飯はどんなの？
食パンにバターとジャム
Let's go, some bread with jam. Bro, that's even more than he's ever dreamt of, bro.
かな
Wow. Yeah, fam. That was good. I enjoyed that so much. The gore, the action, the actual animation, that was fine. That just simply is what it was, fam. And the storyline seems very interesting. Like I say, I did not. Oh no. Let me say I just did not remember that it was about like demons and kind of type of stuff, right? Because I'm pretty sure they showed it in the trailer, but I just didn't remember it. So it was pretty much a surprise when I saw the demons here, and I was like, what the fuck? Okay, interesting, you know? And yeah, in my head when I saw the trailer, I was thinking maybe the Chainsaw Man was kind of like an anti-villain type thing, right? Anti-hero type thing. Yeah, anti-hero. I thought he was an anti-hero. Maybe he was basically speaking a demon, but then he was also doing some good in the sense, you know, every once in a while. Or he would only kill like, I guess, other demons or something like that, or bad people, or whatever the fuck. So that was what my thoughts were, you know, when I watched the trailer. But this was very interesting. I did not expect the whole possession situation. That was a twist. I thought the dog Pochta, right? Pochta. I thought that demon dog was just going to like impersonate him, you know, and take over like his persona, I guess, and just go out in the world and, you know, etc. The fact that the demon dog could possess him, I did not think about. But I was like, okay, that's very interesting. And then it did that whole thing with the beating, like heart thing, and I was like, what the fuck is going on? Is this how it just possesses things, I guess? And then it turns out that no, it was just making a deal with him, saying like, hey, I will be your heart, or I'll give you my heart, right? And in return, you will show me your dream, which is very, very cute, man. I won't lie to you, that was very touching, because like he basically saved the demon dog. He basically saved Pashta in the beginning, you know, right after his grandfather's death, his grandfather's funeral, or his father's funeral, right? And he made a deal with Pashta to say that, you know, I'll save your life, but in return, you know, you can just help me out, you know, doing these odd jobs, you know, etc. Just so that we can live, we can survive. And it's not like he was just taking everything for himself, you know. Pashta was also living with him. He was also feeding Pashta and etc. So it was kind of more of a friendship or a family type situation, relationship, you know. Which is, so they formed a bond, basically speaking. And it was very, very mind you what, I've always enjoyed hearing you talk about your dream. I'm like, what the fuck? Imagine you spend years with your dog not knowing that thing can talk, and then one day, right, like right after you die, the motherfucker comes up and is like, yeah, I could talk the whole time, motherfucker. I was just waiting for something serious like this to happen. I'll be like, what the fuck, bro? But anyways, yeah, so he did that for Pashta last time, right? They made that deal. This time Pashta is the one making the deal, you know, so the roles had reversed. And it's a similarly mild deal. I don't know if that makes sense, but what I'm trying to say is, right, usually when people make deals with the devil, or in this case with a devil, they are pretty hardcore. It's like, I'm giving up my soul or some shit like that, or I'm gonna, you know, give you 100 souls or 1,000 souls, whatever the fuck, you know, that type of shit, right? But this was just a touching deal. It was just a pretty sweet deal, fam. You know, I'll give you my heart. In return, you show me your dream. Like that that's an amazing deal, fam. Especially when you consider that it's with the devil. So I really enjoyed that. I did not expect that whatsoever. The whole debt situation, I guess it was kind of answered, because I was like, how the fuck did you get into so much debt? But then again, how the fuck did the dad get into so much debt? You know what I mean? Like, why? Maybe it was gambling, or maybe it was part of the Yakuza and he owed for getting out or some shit like that. Maybe. I guess we might find out in the future, or maybe it just won't really matter, because the dude, I guess, who he owed is now dead. And that betrayal I did not see, because I thought this dude was I thought he was fond of the kid in a sense, you know, like the way he was talking about, not like fond of him, but I thought he saw the use in the kid. So that switch when you're like, you know, I've always hated dogs and you're just like a dog, you know, always doing what you're told like a dog, or always this and that like a dog, etc. I was like, shit, what the fuck? I did not see that one as well. So there are a lot of twists that came into this series that I just did not see, you know, and I really enjoy that. I really do. The way he went out like a little bitch, fam. But you're like, stay away from me, don't kick. I'm like, bro, what happened to you talking all macho and shit, fam? Yeah, what happened? Yeah, why are you scared now, bro? You know, so you know that was funny to me, anyways, you know. But yeah, the chick that just showed up at the end there with the other two dudes, right? Very interesting. Very interested to see how their relationship would turn out. I don't really necessarily need it to be a romantic one. I'm just curious to see, you know, what type of relationship they'll build. I do know that he was one of his dreams was to basically get a girlfriend. So I guess maybe that's where it's going to go, you know, eventually, maybe. But I would not be surprised if it was, if it did, anyways. And something I'm curious about is, are they just going to be these two working together, or is it going to be like a whole squad, or etc? I don't know. Curious. And I'm curious to see how the public reacts to these devils and whatnot, because so far we have not seen the public reaction to it. You know, we've only seen this. So far, I don't know where this camera is switched off, but yeah. So far, we've only seen Denji's reaction. So I'm very curious to see how the public reacts to it, or how the public perceives devils and whatnot. Because Denji was able to form this bond with the devil. There are other people like him who have done that, who have pets as devils, or who have friends who are devils, and etc. Because it seems like the devils are actually conscious in a sense, unless maybe they're the zombie devils. Because he seemed the dude, the Yakuza dude, seemed to be able to control the zombie devils. So I guess they give up their free will, right? So very interesting. Very interesting. Yeah. Anyways, I think that's all I have to say. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. If you did, please leave a like, sub to the channel, and leave a comment down below telling me what your thoughts were on this episode. And yeah, later.